Welcome to this episode of Technical Quick Tips from Directed Energy. My name is Martin Jones and I'm with the Applications Engineering Department. In this episode, we'll be discussing the PVX-4100 series high voltage bipolar pulsars and how to properly operate when only using one polarity or one high voltage supply. Now this is a problem that we see here. People want to just go to one positive voltage or one high voltage negative, but they only have one supply, and the one thing that they always forget to do is to short out the other high voltage input that they are not using. Say if you want to go to plus 5 kV on a PVX-4100, but you only have that plus high voltage supply, that means you must short out the negative high voltage input. Like shown here on this box, we have a negative high voltage input, and in the center down here is our high voltage output, and over here to this other connector is our positive high voltage input. Now on this unit, this is a PVX-4140. They're all pretty much the same as this unit here with just different connectors. So if you have a high voltage supply going in here, you need to place a short. And you just place the short right across here, put it on, and you install your high voltage plus supply. Now if you have any questions, please contact us here at Directed Energy, either by phone or email. We would like to hear what you think of these episodes. Thank you very much.